Guys, subscribe to my channel by clicking here. Watch my videos first by clicking on the bell icon. Welcome to Kyrascope. Today we are opening another pack of Kinder Joy. You guys will think, why Kyra is opening another pack of Kinder Joy? Because the Kinder Joy brand has made another Kinder Joy. In that, it has new Kinder Joy gifts. So I am opening this pack. And last time I opened only 24 Kinder Joy eggs, but now I will open 48 Kinder Joys. And you know who is inside these Kinder Joys? Barbie, my favorite. I wear Barbie and I will open Barbie. Guys, so I'm very excited to open this pack. So let's open it. So let's get started. I will take the first Kinder Joy. Now let's open it. Guys, what is this? Let me read the instruction manual. Guys, this is a Barbie bracelet and it is very difficult to put this back together. Guys, can you see this middle? On this, we have a hole to plug this in here. Guys, now my bracelet is now finished, ready. How does it look? Tell me in the comments. Let me take out this. I will keep it here. Let's take the next one. What is this, guys? Guys, I think this is this person. Can you see it? I think so. It has too many stickers. Guys, now I have figured this out. This was very difficult. I have taken my dad's help and put all the things back together. And now I will show you how the girl will be. I have put this sticker off this. I accidentally got this piece from anybody's Kinder Joy, so we will not put this. We will this aside. Guys, can you see this hole? These are the hair pieces. You just have to take out this and I will put it together. I will show you now. You will take this part, put the hair anywhere but put it like this, and then put the hair over and over and again. When it will be finished, then you have to put the next part. I will show you. This is the back hair and I have a back dress. Let me put it and then we will stick that to the hair, to them. I have put the sticker. Let's snap it together. You can see I have put some hair. You have to just throw it like this. Guys, the hair is falling. Let me put it again back. Guys, I have snapped it together. Now you can make her style. Like I will put this hair up, this little bit down. This will be down. And you can style her any way you wanted. Cool, this is cool. Let's do the next one. have got a Barbie. Finally, I got Barbie. Now I have read the instruction manual. This is the legs and her skirt. You just have to snap it like this. Now you can see the little tiny holes in this. So you can put it anywhere. But I will put it like this. Here is my Barbie. Guys, let's check out next toy. Let's open this Kinder Joy. Number 4. What is this, guys? Let's put it back together and see. Oh, now I get it. It's a ladybug. It has stickers. Very cute stickers. Let me open the instruction manual. I got another bracelet. Guys, this is very good. I love this because when it will be ready, you can put a small paper, draw something and hide it in this and nobody will know that. He's saying to make a heart. Let's put it back together. Guys, you can see the hole. You just have to snap it like this. I have snapped it like this. Now it's saying, guys, can you see the dots? They're printed and in the sticker they have black. You have to stick it on the pin. It is very, very difficult because they are very small. Guys, can you see there is printed a zip tag. So there is a mole. You have to stick it there also. It says, can you see these dots? There is flowers and bugs. You can stick them anywhere. So I will stick them like here. Guys, now this is done. Let me wear it and show you. Here it is. Let's do the next. What is this, guys? You are a fish. Oh, now I get it. It is a fish clip. I will see it also. Yes, I am right. I know how to snap this. Let me put it on my hair. What do you guys think about this? Tell me in the comments. Guys, I have got another Barbie. I have got that brown Barbie. Now I have got the pink Barbie. Let's open it. Guys, I have completed the brown Barbie, so I know how to assemble it. Let's do it. Guys, look, this Barbie. She is so beautiful. Let's open the next. Guys, I think I have got a puppy. It is so cute. It was on the box, but I cannot show you now because now box is spoiled. Now I have to put the cap on. It is very cute. This is such a cute puppy. Guys, there is more to collect. There is a girl puppy and another girl puppy. Guys, I have another Barbie, but it is a different one. I know how to join her. Let's do this. I think she's jogging. Let's do the next row. What is this, guys? Oh, now I get it. Guys, we need a tub of water and we have to press this when it will be full, and when you will press this, water will come out. That is very cool. Oh no, I got the same one. Let's snap it again. Guys, can you see? Now it has only 2. So you need only 2, guys. This one. Let's open. I got another same to same. The brown girl hair. Let's do this one. This is not the same, but this looks like interesting. What is this? There's a rubber band here. This is a very cute little clip, but I don't know why this rubber band is here. I don't know. Guys, now I have figured this out. Now let's snap it together. You can see this. You just have to take the rubber band and put it here. Close this back. This is a very beautiful clip, and it will look like a real butterfly because the wings will little bit of movement, just a little. I am moving this butterfly. Let's do the next one. I am in the last row. Now it is number 13. Now this is Jack. She has wings. Number 14. I can see from here. I have got another double. This is the jogging one. But this is a different style. She was looking like this, but now her hand is down. That is very awesome. I will not do this one. Number 50. I have got this one in the first one. So I have to snap it like this. You just have to snap it here and done. It is done. You just have to put your finger and you can roll this. Number 16. I am on the middle row. I have another double, but look, the base is very different. It has sunglasses and a star. And look, her pose is like this. This is very different, and this is very different also. I will not do this. Now we will do the second floor. So let's start. Number 17. I have get another one. Again, this not the same doll. The same monkey bracelet. Now do the 18 roll number egg. Let's open it. I have lots of doubles. Again, that girl, same doll. Let's do the next one. Number 19. What is this? Open. I have another brown girl. Number 20. Again, that one. The ladybug bracelet. 21. What is this? Oh no! I am wearing this clip. So I have this clip in this bag. I'm having lots of doubles, guys. I have this girl one more time. The Barbie girl. She is jogging. 23. Oh no! I have the same puppy. Oh no! I have that jogging girl, but in straights. I have so much doubles. I don't believe it. This looks like different. Yeah! Oh no! Let me read the instruction manual. Oh, what is this? This is new. Watch. Guys, there are two options. You can wear this as a ring. these don't fit me because I'm 6-year girl. So I have another option. I can put these flowers, put these little butterflies and flowers here, snap it, and how will I get these in my hair? Because I have a clip. How will I? Let me take out the clip. But this clip is very nice. I don't know how to fix it on my hair, so I will keep this clip on my hair. I have got a new one, Barbie. This is on the box. She has a green desk. Oh, in her base, she has a lip kiss and a heart. That is nice. You guys will like. Now this fix, let me put it on her the base. Guys, you can put this anywhere because it has 3 holes. You can put here, in the middle or in the side. I will put it in the middle. Now she is done. I think she is in a action pose. Wow. Guys, I have this one. Guys, looks like I think I have opened this toy earlier also. This is a very good octopus. It is very cute octopus. You can put messages and give to anyone. It will open. Wow, there is a message inside. They will be prized. Let's do the next one. This is interesting. Oh, now I know. This is a tag. I think so. This has a picture. I think this is a tag. This has many things of Barbie. Guys, this is very interesting. You just have to put it like this. This is awesome. And there is a picture photo inside also. That is cool. On the last row. Oh, wow. What is this? This looks like a Barbie ring. But I don't know what is this. Let me read the instruction manual. I don't get it. Oh, you just have to, you can wear a Barbie. Guys, this is very easy. You can see this ring. You just have to put your finger inside and take this out, and then you can wear it as a ring. That is so awesome, guys. Oh no. Guys, I get the same one, but this is little bit different. This is a red one. The actual one was pink. Guys, you can see this. This one has a red one. It looks like realistic. The second one. Oi! But this is a different one. This is a fairy girl. Can you see the difference? The first one I get, that was a monkey. So I have got a different one. Now we have to just snap it like this. This is very easy. Can you see this hole? You just have to plug this. Now my bracelet is ready. I want to wear this bracelet, so I will wear this bracelet. I have 3 things in my hand and my hair. This is the last Kinder Joy in the middle row. I have to see the instruction manual. Let me see it. Oh, guys, this is very awesome. This spider can eat the paper. I have to see that. Here is a paper. He will bite him. Nothing happens. I don't know why it is not working. Bite the paper. Spider just bite the paper. He don't eat the paper. He left teeth mark. So I don't like it. Guys, now we are on the last row. I think there will be 16 eggs to open. Let's do the first egg. This will be 33. Oh, now it is the green girl. This is the green girl. New one, come, new one. Oh, I don't know. There is another color. Guys, I have this one I showed you, but this is a different one. Different color. This is a light pink and this is a dark pink. Look, that is very sweet. The light pink has a heart on it and the dark pink is her crown. That is so awesome. Let's do the third egg. I have got the frame, so let's not open it. Oh, I have got a pony. Yeah. I think so. This will do. I think we will put it here. Yes. Let's do the next one. 3 more left for the first slide. Oh no, I have got the skate again. Oh, this is a different one. It looks very different. Let's try this. This looks like a ring. This is a very good sticker. I love this sticker. Oh, that is awesome. How? Get back together again. Oh no, please stick it together. Put the sticker like this. How? Just like, okay. Now I got it. Now I got the chance. Stay there. You ring. I have put the sticker now. Oh no, but this is looking awesome. 2 more left in the first line. Oh no, this is the fairy, but this is the girl fairy. This is a new one. She's very pretty looking. 1 more left. Oh no! I have got this one. I'm wearing this ring. But this is very awesome. I can give to my other friends or play it with them. Any of 2 of them. Who are you? Oh no! It is the same Barbie. 2 more left. Oh no! I have the same doggy. That cute doggy. 1 more left. In the middle row. Oh no! I have got the same one. That's super girl. Oh no! I have this clip. Again? I don't believe that. Oh no! The ladybug. Again? The ladybug bracelet. Oh no! I have the brown girl. Superhero. 1 more left. Oh no! That crazy hair girl. Guys, this is the last one. I don't need any doubles. I need a new one. Number 48. Be good, 48. Please, please. Oh no, it is not good. That gone. Done. I have finished the challenge. I had lots of fun doing this video. Hope you like the video. And if you like us, then subscribe us. Bye bye. We will see you in the